So we have internet here. Now I'm talking to the video. So we open the content in English with internet. We do download English. So you download it with internet where it's fast, everything on your phone. So I will leave the download until the A1 and I will cancel it just for the purpose of the demo. So currently we have the content of English A0 and English A1. We have here good internet, so we finish with the download. So now I am as a teacher and I go offline now, and I will also disconnect the LTE. So now that we are without internet, we go offline. We'll go, and with my phone I create a mobile hotspot. So only mobile hotspot with no internet. And then I go and will create a classroom server. I go to the student device, which doesn't have Wi-Fi connected. So I'll go on the student device, and here I will say okay, connect to the hotspot. So here I will connect to the hotspot that I have created with my mobile phone, this one. So now the student device will connect to the hotspot of the phone. I go back to the application, and here I do scan the QR code of the classroom. I accept everything so that I connect to the classroom server. I clicked on connect. So we are offline now, and we have classroom server. So I go here in English because I know I have downloaded English. And then with this student device, we are offline. I will go in the download screen. And in the English, I will say download entire English. So it will start downloading the content from the student device. You will connect to the classroom server and download from the phone. So we downloaded the E0, we wait for A1. So now that the whole English is downloaded, we cancel it because it will fail. We don't have here the offline content for A1 or A2 and the rest, so we just cancel the process. So now in the student, we will go here, back, then we will click here to the classroom client settings, And then here now we go out of the classroom, and we also stop the server. We restart the application, and now we are again completely offline, and we're connected only to the Wi-Fi of the phone, of the hotspot. So now what we do, we go on the phone. Since this one gives Wi-Fi, we go in the mobile data, we turn it on, the mobile data. So this one now can access the internet of the phone, go in the downloads. Now it will check from the internet. Now we are not offline, now we're with internet. And I click on entire English download. So now the student device is checking with the internet and trying to download the information that it needs. And here we will see that the content is already there, and it will download it very fast because it already has the offline files. It just needs to say, hey, I have it, I have it, I have it, I have it. So now, as you can see, all the files are go very fast because they are already here, and this one is just checking, is the file there? Okay, I have it, I have it. So now you're not downloading, you're just checking from the internet if you have all the files correctly. So this way you don't use the mobile data to download the whole files, the 10 gigabytes of English, but you use this phone to download the 10 gigabytes and use the internet only to download the information that these files have. So for example, it's English A0 and potato. And potato has one file which is 30 megabytes. So the 30 megabytes file is here. Now this just gets from the internet, hey, I have potato and has this file. And it goes very fast.